Yo guys, good morning. So this is how we do in the VIP room. You can see our entry at this very point. This is B1000. Okay, so we made our entry at this very point here. Though we did enter at this very point when price, you can see the sniper entry. This was the entry. This was our entry here. We missed this entry because I was waiting to take profits. I mean, sorry, to open a position at this very point, but we missed our entry. We missed our entry at this point. So before I could open a position, it spiked. So I had to wait for it to drop a bit for me to make an entry. So I just made the entry and I dropped the signal on my VIP channel. Okay, I'm about to drop the, sorry, hold on. I'm about to drop the analysis on the VIP because we dropped both entry TPs, SL, and the analysis, the chart analysis. So as to let you guys know, okay, this is what we are looking at. Do you understand? Where we are actually heading. Sorry, where we are actually heading. Okay, so okay, so I just dropped the analysis right now. Yeah, that's the analysis for B1000. Okay, and I'm expecting price to get to, that's where you see the last green, the top there, the green up there. So that's our targets right there. We have two targets, TP1 and 2. The first structure here is our first TP1. In case price want to decide to respect that level, then we're gonna take profit at that point. Do you understand? But if price doesn't respect that level and breaks that level, then we are targeting that up here, that high over there. Okay, so yeah, that's how we do in the VIP room. Like I told you, we drop both TP, SL, and um, TP, SL, and chart analysis. Okay, and before I drop a signal like what you see, what you have here, before I drop a signal, I will inform you. Yeah, okay, good morning. By B1000. Okay, I just dropped good morning by B1000. When I dropped good morning, I had to wait 2 minutes so that I'll be certain people are online. Because once they get the notification, they'll be online to get the signal. Okay, so I dropped the signal. Okay, then we've been running profits. Okay, we've been running profits. Now, let me quickly show you guys why I took the signal, right? Yeah, okay, so we have the spike is still happening. Okay, it's gonna spike for a long time. This is a real account. This is a real account. We are not joking here. This is a real account. Okay, this is a real account, guys. Then yeah, let me quickly show you guys how their strategy I'm using in making these profits. You see, I like telling you guys, I've been telling you guys several times that price action is the key. Okay, price action is the best because with price action you'll be able to see the overall picture, the the overall market direction. Okay, but analysis, sorry, but indicators does not tell you exactly where price is heading because indicator is following the price while the price is ahead of indicator, but price action is ahead of the price. Okay, with price action you'll be able to tell where price is actually heading. Like what happened here, I wanted to make an entry at this point. You see, this is an uptrend. You can see price has been moving from here to this level, pull back, push again above that level to this level, pull back and push again. So you can see there was an impulsive move at this point. The price dropped again down to this level, which is a pullback. Then I was expecting price to push up from that level. I'm so unhappy right now, though I'm grateful because we would have made our entry at this point. This would have been our entry and we would have made so much profit. Okay, this would have been our entry. Sorry, this is supposed to have been our entry at this point here. We open a position at this point here. We're supposed to be in good profit, so much profit by this time, but it's all good. Okay, we are still making profits. Yeah. So now, like I said, you see, price has been moving that way. Now it has done the pullback, and it's time for it to push up again. So as it's going up, it's going to break this level. This last level it dropped here at this point before the pull and before the pullback. So we expecting a very strong rally. That price will be pushing from this support level above this level again. That's why we're having our TP1 here. In case price decide to respect this level here, then we take profit and move our SL up. Then if you see it's still dropping, then we close the second position. But if it breaks this level, our TP2 is certain, like we are so sure the second target is gonna hit. Okay, yeah, and okay, so you can see after the rally, then a pull back to this level, then price went above this level again. So that was an impulse move, right? Then we've seen a pullback again, like what happened, but like what has been happening. Okay, so after this pullback, I realized price will be pushing above this level again, and you can see here, this is our support right here. This is our support right here. Okay, this is our support right here. That's why I made that entry at that point. That's our support right there. Okay, then after the support, we are expecting price to bounce off from this support to this level here. Let me move down to 4 hours time frame. Okay, so I'm expecting price to push to this level here, but I'm taking my profit at this level because I'm not a swing trader. I'm a day trader. Okay, so as price is coming to this level, we just make our profits and walk out of the market. Okay, so you can see how easy it is. Okay, you can see how easy it is because if I was using an indicator, indicator will not tell me where price is actually heading. And the indicator will only let me know that when price gets to the oversold level, there will be a spike. Then after the spike, what happens? You can tell. Okay, but indicator tells you, sorry, price action tells you where the price is going. So what am I trying to say here? I'm not trying to discourage you from using your indicators. Okay, but I want you to go online and check if you've seen any successful forex trader trading with an indicator. Check it online. None, because indicator lags and repents sometimes, but price action stays forever. Okay, so you must not learn price action from me. You can meet any other person, learn your price action, but make sure that you learn price action. And when you're meeting another person, make sure that that person is not a scam. It's not a scam. It won't scam. It won't take your money from you. It's gonna show you exactly what you need. Okay, so learn price action, guys. So you can meet me as your mentor. I have a lot of students. This is our mentorship platform. You can see here we have 1 or 2 mentorship platform depending on the batch. Okay, so if you want to join the November or the December batch, just hit me up. Let's deal. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, now you can see here, let me pull back like this. You can see here, price has been doing this stuff here. It will move from this support to this level, drops back to this level, push again, drops back to this level. So the pullback is done. We are expecting another rally to the upside again. That's why you see we were not um, privileged enough to have taken trade from this very point when price started moving from this point. But since we couldn't take enter open a position right from this down. It's not too late. We can still make profit from here till we hit this level again in future. So you can see the overall market direction with price action, guys. So I will advise you guys to please learn price action. And if you're a new person on my channel, kindly hit that like button. Subscribe is very important. Subscribe, leave some good comments if this video is helpful, and also don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. Okay, I have a lot of stuff I'm preparing for you guys against this December. Okay, yeah, that'll be all for now. I love you. It's the Major, your favorite mentor. Bye bye.